If you want to become wealthy, you don't need luck. You need different habits. Because the truth is, millionaires don't just earn more money. They think differently. They act differently. And they make decisions most people avoid. Here are the exact things millionaires do that poor people don't. Number 1. They pay themselves first. Most people spend first and save what's left. Millionaires do the opposite. They automatically move money into savings, investments, and assets before spending a dollar, even if it's just 10%. This one habit builds wealth over time. Number 2, they focus on assets, not liabilities. Poor people buy things that look rich. Millionaires buy things that make them rich. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. Millionaires are constantly buying assets like stocks, businesses, and real estate. Number 3, they think long-term. Most people want quick money. Millionaires play the long game. They invest consistently, avoid emotional decisions, and understand that wealth is built over years, not days. Number 4, they control their environment. You become like the people around you. Millionaires surround themselves with ambitious, disciplined, and growth-focused individuals. If you're around people who complain, you'll stay stuck. If you're around people who build, you'll level up. Number 5, they take calculated risks. Poor people avoid risk completely. Millionaires understand that avoiding all risk is the biggest risk. They study, prepare, and then act. Number 6, they invest in themselves constantly. Books, courses, skills, knowledge. Millionaires are always learning because they know. The more you know, the more you earn. Number 7, they don't rely on one income. Most people depend on a single paycheck. Millionaires build multiple income streams. Investments, side businesses, digital products. They make money in their sleep. And here's the truth most people don't want to hear. None of this is complicated, but it requires discipline. If you start applying even one of these habits today, your life can change faster than you think. Start small, stay consistent, and think bigger than everyone around you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more great financial videos.